Hi, we are looking at SEHYOG paper MR02 for year 4. In question number 35, Stephen ran a 10-kilometer race and the following time graph shows how far he had run at different times. So, how far had Stephen run in the first 25 minutes? For that, we plot between 20 and 30 minutes, there is 25 minutes. We draw a line till our line graph, and the corresponding kilometers is 5 kilometers, which means that the answer for question number 35 is 5 kilometers. In question number 36, how long did Stephen take to cover the last 2 kilometers of the race? So, Stephen ran 10 kilometers. Last 2 kilometers means from 8 kilometers to 10 kilometers distance. So, let us find out each of the time. Stephen ran 8 kilometers in 40 minutes. Again 10 kilometers. In a similar way, we can plot and find it is 50 minutes, which means that the last 2 kilometers is covered in 50 minus 40, which is 10 minutes. That is our answer. In question number 37, how long did Stephen take to cover 7 kilometers? So, in the kilometers axis, we are going to look at the value 7, draw a line till our line graph, and then draw it downwards to find the number of minutes. So, it is between 30 and 40, which is 35 minutes. So, Stephen takes 35 minutes to cover 7 kilometers. In question number 38, Stephen starts at 7:30 am. He takes 10 minutes rest after covering half the distance. At what time will he finish the race? So, we can see in our time graph that he is running the whole race in 50 minutes plus a 10 minutes rest, means the total time stands at 60 minutes or 1 hour. So, from 7:30 am, 1 hour duration means he will end at 8:30 am. In question number 39, Sarah starts at 7:30 am and covers 3 kilometers at 7:50 am. So, if we subtract 7 hours 30 minutes from 7 hours 50 minutes, we get the duration, that is 20 minutes taken by Sarah to cover 3 kilometers. Now, from our time graph, we are going to check out in how much time is Stephen covering the same distance, that is 3 kilometers. So, from 3 kilometers, we are drawing a line till the line graph and drawing it downwards to find the time. Between 10 and 20, we have 15 minutes, which means that Stephen is covering 3 kilometers in 15 minutes. So, who took more time? Of course, Sarah took more time. And how much more time? 20 minus 15, which is 5 minutes. So, Sarah took 5 minutes more time than Stephen. In question number 30, there is a bar graph showing number of students in a class. The orange is the number of girls and blue is the number of boys. The question asks how many students are in year 4. So, looking at the bar at year 4, now here between 0 to 10 students, there are 5 divisions, which means each division stands for 2 marks. So, at year 4, the bar is standing at 40 plus 1 division, which means 2 marks. So, 42 students are there in year 4. How many more girls in year 3 than boys? So, looking at the bar at year 3, it is going till 1 division less than 50. 1 division is 2 marks. So, that is 50 minus 2, 48 students. Out of that, again the number of boys is in blue. So, we have to subtract that. So, we can see that is again 1 division below 20. So, 18, 48 minus 18. So, that gives 30 girls in year 3. So, how many more girls than boys? We can see there are 18 boys and 30 girls. So, 30 minus 18 will give us number of more girls, that is 12 more girls, which is our answer 12. In question number 32, how many more boys are there in year 5 than in year 3? So, first looking at the number of boys in year 5, we can see that it is going up till 20, then 1 division, 2 marks and 2 division, 2 marks. So, which means the number of boys in year 5 is 24. Again in year 3, we have already found number of boys is 18. Subtracting them, 24 minus 18, we get how many more boys in year 5? That is 6 more boys in year 5. In 33, how many more girls in year 6 than in year 5? Now, looking at year 5, the total number of students is half division less than 40. So, that is 1 mark less than 40, 39, and from there subtracting the number of boys, that is 24, we get 15 girls. Again, for year 6, total number of students we can see is again half division less than 50, so 49. Subtracting number of boys, that is 25 boys, we get 24 girls. So, how many more girls? 24 minus 15, that is 9 more girls in year 6. In 34, we want to find the total number of girls from year 4 to year 6. So, in year 4, the number of girls, again we have to subtract from the total the number of boys to get it. So, in year 4 it is 22, in year 5 there are 15 girls, and in year 6 there are 24 girls. Adding them, we get total 61 girls. In question number 24, there is a local bus timetable. How long does bus 1 take to travel from Pond Avenue to Park Road? So, it is from 7:18 to 8:48. We will subtract the time. So, 8 hours 48 minutes for 8:48 minus 7 hours and 18 minutes. So, 8 hours minus 7 hours give 1 hours, and 48 minus 18 minutes is 30 minutes, which is our answer, 1 hour 30 minutes. In part B, how long does bus 2 take to travel from bus station to Church Street? So, again same process. From the later time 8 hours 20 minutes, we will subtract the earlier time 7 hours 45 minutes. Now, we cannot subtract 45 minutes from 20 minutes. So, we will borrow 1 hour from 8 hours. So, 7 hours and 60 plus 20 minutes more. Now, we can see that the minutes can be subtracted. So, 7 hours minus 7 hours, no hours, and 60 plus 20, 80 minutes minus 45 minutes gives us 35 minutes, which is our answer. In question number 22, Gary is going on a holiday. He is leaving on Saturday 28th May and comes back on 13th June. What day of the week is it when he returns? So 28th May is a Saturday. 1 week from 28th May is the date 4th June, which will also be a Saturday. From 4th June again 1 week gives us 11th June. We are adding 7 days each time. So that is again a Saturday, and that is the Saturday just before 13th June. So it is 2 days before 13th June, which means we have to add 2 days over Saturday and we will get the answer. So 12th June is Sunday and 13th June is Monday. So our answer is Monday. In question number 21, Jeffrey walks 4 minutes to reach the bus stop from school. He waits for 10 minutes. The bus takes 22 minutes and he walks 2 minutes more to reach home. The clock shows the time of afternoon at which Jeffrey reaches home. So afternoon means it is PM, and the time, as we can see on the watch, is 1:55. So he reaches home at 1:55 PM. Now we are going to use the 24-hour clock for doing the calculation. So from 1:55 PM, that is 13:55 hours, we will subtract the timings that he has taken. So 4 minutes plus 10 minutes plus 22 minutes plus 2 minutes, he takes 38 minutes for the whole journey. So from 13 hours 55 minutes, we will subtract 38 minutes, which is the duration, and we will get the starting time, which is 13 hours and 17 minutes, which gives us 13:17 answer. Question number 14, how many hours in 7.5 days? So 1 day has 24 hours. So 7.5 days means 7.5 or 7.5 times 24, which gives us the answer 180. How many minutes does 1080 seconds make? So we already know that 60 seconds make up 1 minute. So how many 60 seconds are there in 1080 seconds? That will give us the number of minutes, which means we have to divide by 60. 1080 divided by 60 gives us the number of minutes. Doing the calculation, we cannot take 1 nor 10. So we have to take 108. 60 ones are 60. Remainder is 48, bringing down 0. 68 times gives us 480. So 18 minutes is our answer. In question number 12, Sandy wants to buy 4 bags of crisps for 45 pence each. So which means total cost of 4 bags is 45 pence times 4. Similarly, he is buying 2 milkshakes for 23 pence each, which means total cost of milkshake is 2 times 23 pence. Now adding up the costs, we get 2.26 pounds, 226 pence, which is 2.26 pounds. So he already has 2.10 pounds. How much more does he need? So we will subtract the money he already has and we get 0.16 pounds or 16 pence as answer. Question number 13, Robbie paid 10 pounds to post 3 parcels. So he received 2.50 pounds as change, which means we have to subtract the change from the money Robbie paid to get the cost of 3 parcels. Cost of 3 parcels is 10 minus 2.50 pounds, which is 7.50 pounds. So which means cost of posting 1 parcel will be 7.50 divided by 3 number of parcels gives us 2.50 pounds. which is the cost of posting one parcel. In number 8, Monty bought 3 kg of sugar at the rate of 3.50 pounds per kg. So, total cost of 3 kg of sugar is 3.50 times 3. Again, he bought 800 grams salt at 0.70 pounds for 100 grams. We know that there are 8 units of 100 grams in 800 grams, which means the cost will be 8 times 0.70 pounds for salt. So, the cost of salt we will add up with the cost of sugar to find the total cost. So, the total cost comes to be 16.10 pounds and she pays a 20 pound bill. So, 20 pound minus 16.10 pound gives us the change, that is 3 pounds and 90 pence or 3.90 pounds. In question number 9, the cost of 6 pencils is 2 times the cost of 1 pen. The cost of 1 pencil is 0.40 pounds. So, 6 pencils will cost 6 times 0.40 pounds, which is 2.40 pounds. Now, we know that this cost of 6 pencils is twice the cost of a pen. So, cost of a pen is half the cost of 6 pencils. So, half of 2.40 gives us 1.20 pounds. That is the cost of 1 pen. So, we want the total bill for 8 pencils and 9 pens, which is 8 times cost of pencil 0.40 pounds and 9 times cost of pen, that is 1.20 pounds. Adding them, we get the total cost, which is 14 pounds. The total bill is of 14 pounds.